Hey guys, this is Rudy Banks, and I want to give you 3 reasons why you are struggling to make money online. I was just on my Reddit forum last night, helping folks out, responding. It was a lot of people commenting. I'm 17 years old, I'm in college, and I'm struggling to make money online. What's the best system to get into? Where can I start with no money? I'm broke, or I'm full-time, or I work part-time, I work 12-hour shifts, and how can I even begin to get into an online business, and where do I start? So I was compelled to do this video real quick, and just to help you out if you're struggling. Number one, reason why you're not making money online is you don't have the skills, you don't have the right training, you don't have the right coaching, the right mentorship, and you're just floundering. You're chasing after these different things, you're getting overwhelmed. It's analysis paralysis, as they call it. So I would say, number one, get some training, find a coaching program, find a mentor, someone who can really get you established, get you set in the right direction. And then once you have that foundation, number two would be get into a program that has structure that will allow you to, just duplicate it and over and over and over and over. So join a system that's already structured, not just jumping out after tactics and all these different gimmicks and things like that. You want to jump into a standard system, a system that you can follow and rinse and repeat over and over and over. And I actually use one called Legendary Marketer. You might have heard of that, but it's a great application because it not only includes mentorship, coaching, education, but it also has a earning potential. It's a business in a box, and that's the best way to go. The last thing is you got to be consistent. You got to put in the effort. You got to put in the work. You could have all the tools in the world, you could have the best skills in the world, but if you do not put those things to use, you're not going to meet your goals. I see a lot of people being successful online. I'm making progress. I receive emails frequently now, hey, you just earned a new commission. That makes me feel good. Just yesterday, me and my wife were out in a restaurant having dinner, and something said, hey, look at your phone. I know I shouldn't, but I did it. Looked at my email, and boom, hey babe, look at this, got a new commission. She said, oh, wonderful, great. So that's a good feeling, man. Just earning money online. The business is working for you 24/7, even while you're asleep. You can't ask for anything more. So number one, get a mentorship program, get a coaching, get those skills. Number two, get some structure. Don't just chase tactics and shiny objects. And 3, go for it. You got to be consistent, put in the work, and you will receive the results. I'm a testament of it. And if you need help, I'll put a link below, the program I'm using. You may or may not be interested, but hey, it can help you out. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Love to hear from you. If you're already doing a program, comment below. Let's see what you're doing. Or if you've tried stuff that didn't work, let us know and let's get the dialogue going. But I'm here to help you, here to help inspire you, because it is possible for you. Go forth in victory, and I will see you at the top. Have a great day. Peace.